Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Ahrefs Webmaster Tools. Access easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Ahrefs Webmaster Tools, begin by visiting the Ahrefs website. Click on the Webmaster Tools option in the menu. If you don't already have an account, select the Sign Up button. Fill in the required details to create your account. Once registered, log in to your Ahrefs account. After logging in, you will see an option to add a site. Enter the URL of the website you want to authenticate. Next, choose your preferred authentication method from the options provided. For HTML file upload, download the verification file provided. Upload this file to the root directory of your website using an FTP client or your hosting dashboard. Once uploaded, return to the Ahrefs page and click on Verify. If successfully verified, you'll see a confirmation message. For the HTML tag method, copy the provided meta tag. Access your website's HTML editor and paste the tag into the head section. After saving the changes, go back to Ahrefs and click Verify. The final method involves DNS verification. Add the provided TXT record to your domain's DNS settings. Allow some time for the DNS changes to propagate. Then, return to Ahrefs and click on Verify. Once you receive confirmation, your site is successfully authenticated. Now, you can access various features within Ahrefs Webmaster Tools. Explore insights, monitor your site's performance, and enhance your online presence. You have now completed the authentication process with Ahrefs Webmaster Tools. Start optimizing your website using the powerful tools available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.